Selecting the perfect colors for your kitchen can transform it into a space that reflects your style and creates the ambiance you desire. Here are some expert tips to help you choose the ideal kitchen colors. Tip 1. Consider the style of your kitchen. Whether you're going for a modern, traditional, or farmhouse look, the color palette should align with your chosen style. Tip 2. Assess the natural lighting in your kitchen. If it's well lit, you have more flexibility in color choices. However, if it lacks natural light, lighter shades can brighten up the space. Tip 3. Create a cohesive color scheme. Choose a primary color for the walls and main elements, and then select complementary or contrasting colors for accents, backsplash, and accessories. Tip 4. Consider the size of your kitchen. Lighter colors can make a small kitchen feel more spacious, while darker colors can add depth and coziness to a larger kitchen. Tip 5. Coordinate with existing elements. If you have fixed elements like flooring or appliances, choose colors that complement or coordinate with them for a harmonious look. Tip 6. Explore timeless or trendy options. Decide if you want classic, timeless colors, or if you're open to more trendy and bold choices. Just keep in mind that trends may change over time. Tip 7. Test samples. Before committing to a color scheme, get samples or swatches of the colors you're considering. Test them in your kitchen under different lighting conditions to see how they appear. Tip 8. Balance warm and cool tones. Combining warm colors like creams and yellows with cool tones like blues and grays can create a well-balanced and inviting atmosphere. Tip 9. Personal preference and lifestyle. Ultimately, choose colors that resonate with your personal taste and lifestyle. Consider the mood and ambiance you want to create in your kitchen. Remember, selecting the right colors for your kitchen is a personal and creative process. By following these expert tips and infusing your own style, you can create a kitchen that is uniquely yours. Thank you for watching. If you found our tips on selecting kitchen colors helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the CivilMix channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for expert advice on creating your dream kitchen.